커넥팅
코리아
앤
인디아.
안녕, 우리는 위키키입니다. 우리의 11번째 영상
In India, our traditional dress is a sari. A sari is usually worn by married women or the older women, like the women who are in above the age of 25, not by the girls and the teenagers. They usually wear another traditional Indian traditional dress, which is a suit. A suit is also a traditional dress in India, and it is not worn by the girls every day. The girls usually wear it when there is a festival, an Indian festival, or where there is an Indian function. So we wear it at that point of time. So a sari usually look like this one. And an Indian traditional, I have a lot of Indian traditional suits, so I will be wearing some of them and I will be showing you that how they look. I hope that you all guys like it, and let's get started. Okay, so this is the first suit that I have. With the suit, we usually wear jewelries, and these are the earrings that I'm wearing. These are the Indian style earrings that I'm wearing, and we even wear some bangles. These are the bangles that I'm wearing, and this is a suit. The upper part, this one, the blue one, is the suit, and the bottom part is a palazzo, a white colored palazzo. So this is the first set of suit that I have, and I usually wear it when I need to go to an Indian function or on Indian festivals. We wear this kind of suit, and the teenage girls usually wear these kinds of suits. So this is the other suit that I'm wearing. Now this suit, it has a dupatta. In Indian suits, in India, these suits are of two types. In one, they are called the kurtas. So in kurtas, we don't have a dupatta, but in the other type, which is called a proper suit, we have a dupatta like this. So I'll stand up and show you how it looks. So this is the suit. We again have the palazzo of grey color, and the suit is also of grey color with some design on it, and then we have the dupatta. This is usually what is called a dupatta. We can wear the dupatta this way also, like this, and we can wear it this way also. So you can style the dupatta in your own way, the way you want to. So this is a proper Indian, this is how a proper Indian suit looks like. So when you come to India, you'll see people wearing, you'll see the Indian women wearing these kinds of stuff. And the married women, a woman who is married, she wears the jewelries and the bangles all the time. Because in the Indian culture, you need to wear your jewelries and your bangles at every time after you're married. Before marriage, you can wear whatever you want to. But in the rural area, once you get married, you have to wear the suit all the time or the sari. Now, as people are becoming more educated, as they're becoming more open-minded, they are allowing the women to wear suit also. But earlier, women usually used to wear those heavy saris with the heavy jewelries all the time after they were married. But now, as I live in the city and as people are getting more open-minded, now the girls, they don't wear this suit all the time. They wear normal Western clothes like jeans, t-shirts and tops. But in the rural area, still there is a stereotype that women has to wear the sari after she gets married, and the women cannot wear Western clothes in the rural area. You won't see any women wearing jeans or t-shirt in the rural area. You would see women with this dupatta, with these bangles and earrings all the time. So this is another suit that I have. I have this dupatta also again in this suit. So I'll show you, I'll stand up and show you how it looks like. So this is the suit again, and this is the palazzo, the bottom palazzo, the same color, and this is the dupatta that is there with this suit, and it has a design over here in its bottom, and this is how it looks like. So now the dress which I'm wearing, it is not a suit, but it is an Indo-Western dress. What is an Indo-Western dress is basically a dress which is a combination of Indian and Western dresses both. These type of dresses are worn a lot by the high school girls in India and the teenager girls in India basically during the time of festivals again. And I also wear these types of dresses a lot. And in the jewelry also, like I have the necklace which is a Western necklace, and the jewelry and the bangles and the earrings are Indian. And that's how the dress also. The skirt, the black color skirt, this is an Indian skirt, and the top is a western top. It is a western shirt basically, and this is how an Indo-Western dress looks like. So that's it for today. These were some dresses and some Indian suits and some Indian dresses and Indo-Western dresses that I had in my wardrobe. And usually these are the dresses that I wear when there is a function or there is Indian festival. And I hope that you all enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching it.